Good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of Out and About in Calaveras County with Tim and Lisa, and the showcasing of another new listing. Today is July 27th, 2026, and we're in Arnold, California, in the Meadowmont Village subdivision on Meadowview Court with a duet. We have, built in 2003, we have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a single car garage. Let's take a look. I hope you've enjoyed the coverage of the new listing on Meadowview Court. If you'd like more information or you'd like to see the property in person, please reach out to us. By the way, my name is Tim Muetterties, and I sell real estate in Calaveras County along with my wife Lisa.